This video shows how an attached dealer raises a PO to distributor. Go to ME21N to create the purchase order. Go to Order Type drop-down and select the required order type. Enter Purchase Organization, Purchase Group and Company Code. Enter Vendor Code. Press Enter. Now, enter the material details. Enter the following details and press Enter. Repeat for all materials. Click Save. Click Save. Sales order 610 gets created in distributor's system automatically. Click Purchase order for attached dealer. Type ME23N and press Enter. Go to Confirmations tab. Once the vendor creates the outbound delivery and billing document, the vendor invoice number and the inbound delivery number will be visible here. Now, vendor's process is shown, to give you a better understanding of what happens at the vendor's end. Vendor goes to VA03. Vendor enters the SO number. Vendor clicks Item Overview to view the materials in the sales order. Vendor then clicks Sales Document. Deliver is clicked. Picking is clicked. Storage location 0001 is then entered for all the materials. Post goods issue is clicked to issue the goods. Back is clicked. Vendor can see the outbound delivery details by clicking Display in Outbound Delivery tab. Enter is pressed. Back is clicked. Back is clicked again. Then vendor goes to VF01 to create the invoice. Outbound delivery number is entered and Enter is pressed. Save is clicked. Invoice is created. Now, outbound delivery and billing is done. Attached dealer will get the inbound delivery number and vendor invoice number for GRN. Go to ME23N. This number in reference field is the vendor invoice number. Use this inbound delivery number for goods receipt, once the material is received. Go to MIG. Select Inbound Delivery. Enter the inbound delivery number and press Enter. Scroll down. Enter Storage Location 0001 Tick Item OK check box. Repeat for all materials and press Enter. Click Post. GRN document posted. Click. Type Nero and press Enter. Enter invoice date. Enter PO number and press Enter. Tick the check box for all line items. Select the appropriate tax. Click Calculate Tax. Select this amount. Paste here. Click Simulate. Click Post. Click. Go to ME23N. Go to Purchase Order History. Click this to see the history of all line items.